Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to play World of Witchcrafts for free. First method is to create a free starter account. Go to Battle.net account creation page and for other regions visit Battle.net and find the sign up page. Fill out the account creation form using a valid email address to selecting a password. Then click the Play It Free button on the Start Sign Up process. Once done, click Download the game to get the World of Witchcrafts installer. If the download page closes, just revisit the link. Once downloaded, open the file and install the Battle.net launcher. Verify your account via the email and click Start Install on the WoW game. The download size is about 70 GB to ensure sufficient disk space. When it's done, all you have to do is launch the game and start playing. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.